Hello plant lovers! Welcome to another episode of our channel, where we explore the world of gardening and DIY projects. Today, we are diving into a delightful and practical topic, wooden plant stands. If you are looking to elevate your green companions and add a touch of style to your indoor or outdoor space, you're in the right place. So, let's jump into some fantastic wooden plant stand ideas that will bring your botanical haven to new heights. First on our list is the classic tiered wooden plant stand. This timeless design not only maximizes vertical space, but also creates a visually appealing display for your plants. Crafted from sturdy wood, these multi-level stands are perfect for showcasing a variety of plants, from small succulents to larger potted greens. Choose a wood finish that complements your interior or garden aesthetic, and you've got an elegant focal point. Now, let's explore the versatility of ladder-style plant stands. These space-saving wonders lean against the wall, providing a charming way to showcase your green friends. With multiple shelves or steps, you can arrange your plants in a cascading manner, creating a beautiful and organized display. Wooden ladder plant stands are not only functional, but also easily movable, allowing you to change your plant arrangement with ease. For those limited with floor space, the hanging wooden plant stand is a game changer. Suspended from the ceiling or mounted on a wall, these plant holders add a whimsical and floating garden effect to any room. Crafted from durable wood, they provide a secure and stylish way to display your plants while keeping them out of the way. Get creative with the arrangement and let your plants become a suspended work of art. Next up, we have the minimalist appeal of pedestal plant stands. These single-level stands offer a clean and modern look, emphasizing the beauty of each individual plant. Whether you choose a sleek design or a more rustic finish, pedestal plant stands effortlessly blend into any interior style. Elevate your favorite plants to eye level and turn them into a captivating decor piece with these simple yet sophisticated stands. Now, let's talk about the practicality of multi-tiered rolling plant stands. Crafted with both aesthetics and mobility in mind, these stands come with wheels, allowing you to effortlessly move your plants around. This is especially handy for indoor gardens or outdoor spaces where you might want to follow the sun or change the layout. The combination of wood and mobility makes these stands both functional and stylish. As we wrap our wooden plant stand journey, don't forget the charm of DIY projects. Crafting your own plant stand not only adds a personal touch, but also allows you to tailor the design to your specific needs. Whether it's a repurposed wooden pallet or reclaimed lumber, the possibilities are endless. Let your creativity flourish as you build a custom wooden plant stand that perfectly complements your green oasis. Thanks for joining us today as we explored the wonderful world of wooden plant stands. If you found inspiration in these ideas, be sure to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more gardening and DIY content, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Until next time, happy planting!